Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money in CryptGuru app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, launch the Crypto Guru app on your device. You might notice a balance displayed on the main screen. It's crucial to know that this balance is virtual. If you see your virtual balance under your funds, it means the money isn't real because Crypto Guru functions as a trading simulator. It's designed for practice, not real transactions. The app uses simulated fonts to mimic the trading experience without financial risk. Since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It's all part of the simulation to provide a learning environment. If anyone suggests you can withdraw real money from Crypto Google, it's likely a scam, as the app is strictly for simulation purposes. Only Crypto Guru is a valuable tool for learning and practicing crypto trading without financial risk. Remember, the balance is virtual, making it a safe platform to enhance your trading skills without the worry of losing real money. So beware and understand really strictly, you can't withdraw money from Crypto Guru because it's just virtual money. So that's basically how you can withdraw money in Crypto Guru app. So that's all for this video. Hope you like the video.